four-door hatchback Audi S5 Sportback combines contentment and comfort of the S4 sedan together with the sleek looks with the S5 coupe. The S5 Sportback is powered by the turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 engine with 354 horsepower and also a heady 369 lb-ft of torque. A smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission is standard, and delay pills work with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system to accelerate the Sportback with appropriate haste. In spite of that strong performance, the S5 Sportback is missing the perfect something that turns an automobile a spot inside Sports Sedan Hall of Fame and inside hearts of enthusiasts. Its steering feel is distant, its chassis aloof. The Sportback gains advantage from the added versatility of their hatchback body and 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind its back seat. Practicality never looked so great, but only if there were an identical amount of driver engagement. High stunning looks, versatile hatchback body style, Audi fit and complete. Low's oddly uninvolving handling, laggy over line. Verdict proof acquired more than stirring styling, tenacious grip, along with a powerful engine to stir our souls. What's new for 2018? The S5 Sportback S all new for 2018, offering a hatchback body style for really versatility. Based on the mechanical package in the S5 coupe and convertible, the four-door Sportback sits on a longer wheelbase than its two-door counterparts and casts a shadow 2.4 inches greater. Power comes for Audi's latest 4-speed induction V6 mated to a 8-speed automatic transmission. The turbocharged 3.0-litre produces 354 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, 21 horses and 44 lb-ft of twist in excess of the supercharged V6 that powered the previous generation S5 coupe and convertible. Trims and options we'd choose with a base valuation on $55,375, $3,000 greater than the S4 sedan but $200 under an S5 coupe. The Audi S5 Sportback Premium Plus comes nicely built with features, for example leather seating, heated front seats that has a massaging function, 3-zone automatic climate control, as well as a 7.0-inch infotainment screen. And yet, we can't help wanting other toys, which is the reason we'd spend $4,400 to get the Prestige trim, which adds niceties, for instance, Audi's virtual cockpit digital gauge cluster, head-up display, 8.3-inch infotainment screen with navigation, 360-degree camera. We'd also examine the option boxes to the $1,800 driver assistance package, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic high beam headlights, the $2,500 S Sport package red brake calipers, adaptive dampers, torque vectoring rear differential, and $350 in rear side airbags. Add all this up, and our S5 Sportback sets us back $64,425. In place in the old S5's supercharged V6, the brand new S5 includes a new turbocharged unit. Displacing 3.0 litres, the turbo V6 is much more powerful and torqueier than its predecessor. The 8-speed automatic transmission performs admirably most with the time. Nevertheless, its preference for second gear starts a lot more. Comfort mode exacerbates the engine's initial turbo lag and renders the S5 annoyingly sleepy off of the mark. Tap the drive select replace of comfort mode and into dynamic or auto mode. However, along with the S5 Sportback will legally leave the queue in first gear. Similarly, the transmission is not wanting to downshift at speed in comfort mode. Again, swapping to dynamic or auto largely rectifies this concern. Regardless of mode, the all-wheel drive S5 Sportback is lacking wheel spin on acceleration, as well as the car's 4 summer tires. Ours had the bigger 19 inches, an $800 option. Grip the pavement with tenacity in the event the throttle is uncorked. Manual control with the transmission can be obtained by way from the thick console-mounted gear shift lever, or maybe a pair of flimsy-feeling paddle shifters attached with the controls. The S5 Sportback is one in the most fuel-efficient vehicles within its competitive set. rated at 21 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway because of the EPA. The 354 horsepower S5 Sportback is practically as fuel efficient written as the small, 160 horsepower Fiat 500 litres. Fuel economy ratings compared. The S5 Sportback returns 33 miles per gallon on our real-world highway fuel economy loop, a noteworthy improvement over its EPA-rated 30 miles per gallon highway figure. Test results. Highway fuel economy. Exemplary highway fuel economy compensates to get a comparatively small fuel tank and allows the S5 Sportback traveling approximately 500 miles on a single tank of premium-grade fuel. Quick and cozy. The S5 Sportback puts up serious performance figures. Look past examination results, however, as well as the model lacks the motive force involvement obtained in its more dynamically engaging competition. Acceleration around town. The S5 often doesn't feel quick, but when pressed, it is. With the help of their launch control system, the S5 Sportback accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour within a class-competitive 4.3 seconds. At highway speeds, the S5 Sportback accelerates with fervor, returning a 50 to 70 mph passing time that's virtually the equal from the quickest competitors. Test results. Acceleration, ride, handling, and steering. Our test car was preloaded with both the optional 19-inch performance tires and also the $2,500 S Sport package, along with a torquey vectoring rear differential and adaptive dampers. These pieces together give you the S5 Sportback that is a firm but forgiving ride plus a lot of grip, 0.95 grams in your skid pad test. Those buyers together with the skills and experience to push the Sportback to its lofty limits, though, may find that the S5 Sportback defaults to funking understeer. Our test car also sported the $1,150 dynamic steering option, which comes with a steering setup that gets quicker the farther the wheel is turned. We found the pricey steering system lifeless and unpredictable, a big part from the reason it isn't as rewarding they are driving aggressively on twisty roads even as would hope. We recommend buyers stick with all the S5 Sportback's standard steering setup. Test results. Maximum cornering capability, braking standard summer tires, a good brake pedal, and big 13.8-inch front rotors clamped by 6-piston calipers helped the more efficient on S5 Sportback visit a stop from 70 miles per hour inside an impressively short 158 feet.